Okay, just an update on how everything's going. Everything's on. Put the battery in, haven't connected it yet. Haven't put the cover on top of the belt. We will do that once everything's all okay. So it's all been done. Spark plugs, gas has been connected. Got a new oxygen sensor down there, so that's been put in. Yeah, spark plugs are new as well. They've all been gapped to about 0.9 of a millimetre. So all we need to do now is put in some coolant. I actually did that before, but it poured out from the thermostat housing connected to the engine head. So I had to put some more gasket sealant on there. The Loctite number 3. So I've put that in there. It's really fresh, so I'm not going to refill it with coolant today. Do that tomorrow. Or wait till the sealant dries, so there's no chance of it leaking out, and then we'll put the coolant back in and we'll start it up. I had to take the car out of the garage, making a bit of smoke, obviously with oil burning up. A little bit of tapping noise. It seems to have quietened down a bit now. So I'll let it run up to operating temperature and fill up if we need to with coolant, and give it a test drive.